In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Webull Desktop. By the end, you'll have the app installed and ready to launch on your Windows PC. Let's walk through it step by step in a clear, simple way. First, open your web browser and head to Webull's official website, specifically the desktop download section. It's important to use the official page so you get the latest safe installer. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct site by checking the address bar and the secure lock icon. A stable internet connection will help the download complete without interruptions. Next, choose your operating system. For this guide, we're focusing on Windows. Webull Desktop supports Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. If you're not sure which version you're running, you can quickly check by opening your Windows settings and looking at the About section. But if your PC is fairly up to date, you should be fine. When you're ready, click the Download for Windows button on the page. Your browser will begin downloading an installer file with a .exe extension. This file usually appears at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. If you're prompted by your browser to confirm the download, choose Keep or Save. Once the download finishes, open the .exe file to start the installation. Windows may show a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Since you're installing from the official site, go ahead and confirm. The Webull installer will open and guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically include agreeing to the terms, choosing an installation location, and deciding whether to create a desktop shortcut. If you're unsure, the default options are usually the best choice. Make sure you let the installer complete before closing the window. When the installation finishes, you're ready to launch Webull Desktop. You can start it right away from the final installer screen if that option appears, or you can open it later from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut you created. If you don't see a shortcut, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Webull, and select the app from the results. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Webull Desktop on Windows. If you ever need to reinstall or update it, just repeat these same steps from the official download page to ensure you have the most current version. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trading setup.